And welcome to another video here in beautiful Tunisia. Today I'm in Bizerte in a beach called Mersa Dhouiba. I'll put the name up here. Pronunciation, I'm not sure. As you can see, it's a bit windy today, so it's not calm like you saw in the other videos, but it's still very beautiful. So we're just going to relax here for the day, take it in, continue the summer vibes. You know what I mean? Major thing is taking a bath, so all change, ready for the water. Let's go. It is so windy and it is so rough. It's enjoyable, but you have to fight the waves. It's not like a calm swim at all. But it was still a lot of fun. What we're going to do, we're going to walk along the beach, take in the sights, and I'll see what I can show you guys. Alright? Let's go. There, we took in the view. It's really nice. We are seeing some more beaches we could explore down there. And you guys remember Miriam?
Hello!
She was with me in Coco Beach. And my friend, what's her name there?
What?
Alright, so yeah, we're all exploring, walking up the beach. Where we are on the beach, walking through the rocks, boulders behind me, beach right there, amazing. So after walking over that ridge and discovering this nice little area, we're going to walk over this ridge and see what else lies ahead. Beyond this beach, there is rocks. There is no more beaches as we could see. It is so beautiful, you know. Again, the water is rough. It's not really conducive to bathing, although I'll still go back in the water. It is still very beautiful. I mean, come on. Well, we're now on top of the rocks with the beach behind us, as you can see. We decided we're all here already. Let's see what else we could find. So we continue. We explored in that direction. Now we're going in the other direction to see what's there. As we walked along, we discovered this nice little pool that had some rocks separating it from the rest of the sea. Of course, I jumped in. Continued along, you know, enjoying the scenery and whatnot. It was such a nice day. We headed back to the beach, we packed up and headed back to the bus. I really hope you guys enjoyed these videos over the summer here in Tunisia. This is actually my last Tunisia video for some time because I I will be heading back to Jamaica soon, and it looks like I'll be there for a while. So although I'm really excited to head back to Jamaica, I'll miss Tunisia, especially after such a fantastic summer, enjoying, the sun, the weather, the Mediterranean. It was really good. I hope you guys continue to follow the channel and watch the videos. Until next time, laters.